So I've seen a lot of people just use like spot putty with a lot of acetone to kind of make that a thinner consistency and kind of smear it over everything. I didn't do that in this one. I kind of just used the spot putty as it is and just put it over the whole eye because these are really small and it's really hard to kind of sand within all of those small little cracks and crevices and dust that came off of this. But that's just two different methods that you can use. I don't really like the acetone method because I feel like you just like cover the whole 3D prints in it, and it's like if you have a lot of detail in the print, it's something that's not really going to work for you. But in this case where it's just two eye lenses, it doesn't really matter. And for the last helmet, as you remember, I used plexiglass for those eyes. This time I'm gonna do something a little simple. I found these cool little kid glasses for like 10 bucks at Walgreens, and we're gonna try that for the eyes. I added just a few magnets to the jaw and the head plate, just because everything else kind of snaps in. It's part two. Now, if you want more of like an in-depth, how I sliced the file, how I oriented and everything, how I chose the color, how I did the plexiglass eyes on this one, I would definitely say check out part one of this video. This was more like a quick little time lapse just to show you like the process again. The main things that I did different in this one were the eyes and the magnet. If I didn't mention in the video, again, I did this helmet a little bit bigger because when I had more hair, that one fit but not as snug. Now I cut my hair and yeah, so now I'm gonna have to put a little bit of foam into this one. But stay tuned for my next build video. I'm going to be making the Blades of Chaos, which I kind of know I've been telling you guys that for a while. But I also want to make sure that it comes out right for you guys. And like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple different methods. Yes, you see painter's tape here now. This is to cover up all the designs that's behind there. But instead of using painter's tape, I actually have a liquid that I can use instead. That's going to cover up all the minor details after the first priming. So definitely stay tuned for that, guys. And before I go, this video, as you can tell, was a little bit done in different times. But at this current time that I'm recording, it is the new year. It is 2024. So I just want to first say to everybody that is subscribed, thank you so much. You guys don't know how much it means to me as a creator because I've tried several different things on several different platforms, but this seems to be what works. Again, my main goal is to inspire you guys to be yourself. I'm a bit older and I'm making different costume and cosplay. So if I can do that and be confident about it, you guys definitely have something that makes you a little different. Show the world it. Don't be afraid. It's a new year. Shoot for something new. Besides that, as always, guys, God bless. Be safe. Ashe.